What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little DIY project and I'm really excited about it. I have been meaning to do this project for like months now. Like, I wanted to do this in my last apartment and then I obviously moved and I still haven't done it. But today we're gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm doing a textured art piece and these are my canvases. The size of let's see, 18 inches by 24. 18 inches by 24. I have two of them, and basically the idea is to kind of like put them together. And then I have a old bed sheet that doesn't even fit my bed, so I'm just gonna use it for this project. I got some tacky spray, and then I also have some Mod Podge. Now, I'm gonna be real, I have never done this before. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but I've been kind of seeing a little bit of videos of how people do it, and there's like a lot of ways for people to do it, and this is just a method, one that I saw a while back, and I'm just gonna try to do it myself, so hopefully it works. I'm gonna be setting up a little area outside so that I can do it, because I don't want to be spraying this inside and then have all these chemicals in my house, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up outside and I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. Okay, so I got everything set up. I'm trying to figure out how to fix my camera because the lighting is just not working if I put my camera over there, which works better, but whatever. But this is how it's looking. I'm gonna take the sheet and I'm gonna just lay it across to see how I want it to lay. Okay, I'm gonna take some of this tacky spray and I'm gonna spray it on there. So I'm gonna probably have to take this off and then I'm gonna put, yeah, I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna spray it on there. Oh shit. It's already sticking on. So this is how it's kind of looking right now, just with the tacky spray. This is before I put the Mod Podge on there, but this is just how it's looking. I didn't really care how messy it looks. Like, I kind of want it to be a little bit messy. Like, I wanted to have that wet look. So I know the tacky spray is tacky, but like, and it's supposed to be like glue, but I didn't think it was that sticky. Like, this is really sticky. Like, it already stuck to the canvas. So now I can add some Mod Podge. I have the Mod Podge in the gloss and I have it in matte. I'm not sure which one I should use. I know the matte one will look more like, I think I'm gonna go with the matte. One. Sad thing is I have no brushes. I can't find my brush. So we're just gonna be trying to use my hands. So I have gloves. So I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out, but it's about to get real messy. Okay, this is how it's looking. After I put the Mod Podge on, I literally just smudged it all on top of there. Like, all type of messy. This is how it looks. I'm gonna just trust the process. The only thing I'm worried about is like, I think I put the two canvases too close to each other because I kind of wanted them to separate on the wall. And I don't know if they're gonna separate after this all dries, but this is what we're working with. I'm gonna see how it looks after like a 24-hour dry time, and then we'll be back. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. Now we're gonna go outside and see how the textured canvas is looking. This is what we're working with. I had to like make sure it wasn't sticking to the plastic, so hopefully it's not. I'm gonna have to cut off the excess parts of it, and then I'm gonna try to cut it in the middle so that it can separate, but it's hard. Got a little dust in places. I'm gonna just have to clean it off a little bit, but I don't know how it's gonna look exactly when I put it on the wall, but we'll see. We'll do all that and I'll show you guys how I do it. Okay, y'all, so I ended up just painting this canvas, like the white part, because I noticed that it was a little dusty. Like, I don't know what got on here, but I guess just from sitting outside, it got a little dusty, so I wanted it to be pure white. So I just bought some paint from Hobby Lobby, some cheap paint and some brushes, and I ended up just painting the parts white. And I think this looks way better after I painted them. And I just wanted to make this really easy, so I took some command strips and I put them on there with the command strips because these were not even heavy. Like, they weighed less than 15 pounds, and I knew that it would actually stick to my wall and it'll be easy to take off for later. But yeah, this is how it turned out. Like, I think this was so cute, and I love how it just looks like wet and matte at the same time. Like, I think this goes so perfect for like the indoor. As soon as you walk in, you know, this is the first thing you see. I plan on like putting my table under here and getting some decorations and stuff to kind of make it pop. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.